Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to add a trend line in Google Sheet. So let's start the video. Start by opening your Google Sheet containing the chart you want to add a trend line. Now click on the chart and click on this icon on the top right of the chart. On the chart editor panel, on the right go to the Customize tab. Scroll down until you find Series section. Expand it by clicking the arrow. In the series section, you will find Trendline. Enable it and customize the trend line and other settings as needed. Thanks for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.